sent to vacation. 2 weeks vacation. 2 weeks they gave so many hotel reservations. Anywhere you can go, you can enjoy with your family members. And for 100 members, they said that in the office only we give 2 hours meditation. Instead of working for 8 hours, you work for only 6 hours. Morning 1 hour meditation, evening 1 hour. Then they tested the stress levels. Cortisol hormone in our blood, it will represent the stress levels. Who got the less stress? Of course, if you go to vacation, little bit stress levels are a little bit less. But do you think what happened is at the end of the 2 weeks, they tested these people who are working 6 hours, but 2 hours meditation. But comparing to the people who are meditating, who are vacation and enjoying with their family members, they checked it. And the people who are meditating, they got less stress. Their stress levels completely gone. Cortisol hormone completely reduced.